Then of course you've got your usual suspects. You've got your high pass and low pass, which is really useful when you're building a vocal chain. So that's awesome. But then it has this really awesome expander and gating tool. Now I've used this numerous times and I get absolutely awesome results. And what I do is I set the depth lower to somewhere around like 3 or 6 dB. And basically what this does is that when you stop singing, it'll pull the signal down so it's a lot quieter. So this is going back to one of the ways that as an engineer you can cleverly manipulate the room into sounding like a quieter room. You take advantage of that. Now I haven't seen that, I haven't seen the gate on any other mic pre. It's not on the SSL. It's not on the Neves, obviously. So this is a really flexible tool, super handy. And of course, you've also got an EQ section built in, just like all the other channel strips. But then you've also got this really fast, nice compressor.